Okay, this is for the 2018 Toyota Camry Hybrid. I don't know if this works for all the other Toyota Camrys or not, but it does for this one. This all is going to be focusing on this little keypad next to the steering wheel. The arrows and this little window here. So what I'm going to be doing is I have to scroll over to the using the right and left arrows. I'm going to go up to the top to that little circle thing and hit OK. And then it says schedule maintenance. I'm going to scroll down to schedule maintenance and click push OK. And do I want to reset data? Yes, I'm going to scroll up to reset data, hit OK. Now the reset's complete. Now I want to go back to where I was before, so I'm going to be using the arrow keys again here and scrolling over. No, I'm going to go back up across the where it says the park. There's symbols below it. I'm going to scroll over to where I want to go. I think I just want information where it gives the average mileage. Now I'm shutting it off, and that's the end of it.